Hello guys, welcome back to Jelly at 101. Make sure to enter into my giveaway. It's on my how to get free Robux video. It's a giveaway for 10,000 jailbreak cash in the game, Roblox jailbreak. Follow the parameters after you click the link down below in the description. It'll also be in the description for this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own YouTube intro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is download this app right here. It's called Intro Maker, and it looks like this. So you're going to want to open up the app, and you're going to get options right away. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose what type of graphics you want. You can also do outros, which you see here, but we'll do that in another video. Alright, so we're going to choose this one, and I already have it downloaded. It just takes a couple seconds to download. Now if you guys want a better quality, then you're going to have to unlock the full version of this app, which I don't have. Alright, so now we have this YouTube intro of sorts. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some text that's already there and you're going to change it. I'm going to change it to Jelly 101. Let's save it. Now you can choose a font. I'm going to choose this font right here. I'm going to go to design, and I'm going to choose another font design. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to go to animation. I'm going to choose that as the in animation, and I want it to wiggle around. And I'm going to tap here. I'm going to tap out. So as you can see, I selected, it's going to slide in from the left. It's now going to be shaking, and then it's going to slide out to the right. So wait for it to load. So this is what our intro looks like. Now that kind of does look a little boring because we don't have any music. So if you guys want to add music, you go to music down here, you tap on intro, and you can select different musics or songs. I'm gonna choose Cloud9. And then I'm gonna select fade out. So this is what it sounds like. As you noticed at the end of the intro, the music faded out. So I'm going to press done, and I think that about do it for this intro. I will feature this in this video. So I'll see you guys later. Actually, before we do it, we need to select check. It's going to process. So what you're going to want to do is click save. And now it's saved to your photo album successfully. So now if we go to our camera roll, we should see our intro. There we go. So our intro was a success, and now you can share it to your computer through a flash drive or AirDrop it if you're using a iPhone like me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you guys later in the next episode. Bye-bye.